What's up everyone, Reggie from ReggieTECH here. I hope you're all doing well and thanks for tuning into the channel. So in today's video we've got an exciting product that we're going to be unboxing and reviewing, and that product is the Blavor solar powered portable battery bank. So I'm excited to get this thing out of the box and test it out as well as to see how it looks. So what do you guys say we go ahead and get started? Alrighty, so here we have the product in its box, and as you can see right on the front cover, all it has is Blavor, the company's name, in nice iridescent coloring. Coming over to the side of the box, there's nothing. Top of the box, there's nothing. Other side, nothing. Bottom, nothing. But on the back, we do get a product barcode as well as some of their company information. So let's go ahead and get this thing right out of the box. I'm kind of interested to see how it looks in person. Alrighty, so the first thing out of the box, we see a welcome guide for the solar charging power bank. And this is the user manual, so we can see exactly how to use this thing. Gives us some specifications on all of the ports that are on there, as well as any other accessories that it has. And if we flip through the pages, we can see more specifications on each exact port for the voltages and amps that it gives out. And then it has some more instructions right there, and some more on this page as well. You get some warnings about the product as well, and then we get into another language. So next up, we do get a nice warranty card, and you can get a free e-gift if you sign up for their warranty program, and that's always nice to see. So the first thing that I see off to the side of the box is this little clip right here. It's a nice clip, has a nice spring to it, very, very strong, has nice tension. Then you get a little ring holder right there. Next we do get a cable, and this cable is a USB to USB Type-C cable. It's kind of interesting to see a purple inside for the Type-C. Looks kind of cool. Next up we do have the product itself, and let's get this out. Wow, this is actually far bigger than I thought it was going to be, but let's just check it out to see how it looks. So here on the top of the product, we do have a nice leather kind of pouch, and I believe that's what the solar panels are housed in. But coming over to the back of the product right here, we can see all the product's information as well as this nice little LED diffuser. I do believe the back of this is a full LED in the event you need to use it, so that's always useful. Coming over to the side, we do have a compass. On the other side, we do have a flashlight here, and then we have a nice rubber grommet piece that covers all of these ports. So we have one regular USB port, one USB 3.0 port, and then one Type-C port, as well as one micro USB port. So they really covered all the bases for the ports on this thing. Let's go ahead and open this up. All there is one of those little button flaps right there. As soon as we open it up, we see that it does turn on automatically, and it looks like it is charging, which is interesting. It's not even the direct sunlight that it's under, but right now it's under the ring light, and it is taking charge. So that's actually really cool, and it's extremely responsive. So this is how the product looks, completely laid out with all the solar panels here. There are a total of 4 solar panels, so this thing will get a ton of energy in the event you need to recharge it or recharge another device on the go and your battery bank dies out. And this can also be folded in all different directions, just depending on how you want to grab the light. And that's actually pretty much it. I do see a little power button right here on the side, and I believe that that power button will control the flashlight as well as the backlight over here. So let's go ahead and check it out. If we press it, nothing happens, but press and hold. The flashlight turns on. Press and hold it again. Flashlight will turn off, and then 2 presses will give you the backlight. This thing is extremely bright. I hope that's coming across clear on the camera, but it looks extremely bright, and in the event of an emergency, this thing will definitely shine bright. Let's go ahead and see if it could change colors. Oh, you can actually make it more dim. So there's a total of 3 lighting settings for this backlight here. That's really cool. This is the brightest setting. You tap it again, gets to the medium setting, tap it one more time, gets down to the lowest lighting setting. And that's pretty much it. And let's go ahead and turn off the flashlight. There we go. So this is a really cool item. I really did not expect it to look like this. It looks a lot more stylish than I anticipated it to look, as well as it having all these really cool features. I mean, as soon as we opened up the solar panels, it began to take charge. So that's awesome. There's nothing you really need to do as the user to initiate the charge or to let it begin charging. So I find that extremely useful. It's something you don't really have to worry about, oh, did I turn it on? Did I make sure that it's charging? This and that. It just automatically does it, which is awesome. Another thing I like is that it does have the built-in flashlight right there, and then this whole back side of the device is a flashlight, and it's extremely bright. You do see here it does have a little space for a lanyard or a carrying clip, and you have all these ports that you can just charge different devices with. And with this being solar powered, you don't even need to worry about, did I forget to charge this the night before a trip? Did I forget to plug it in the car? This and that. You can just go ahead and open it right out and begin to charge your devices. So that is awesome. It's honestly a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. And the rubber grommet up here at the top, it just seats extremely well right into the frame, so you'll know that this is watertight. So water or dust won't get into this and won't damage it. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this item. This is a really cool item. It's not that heavy, but it does have a nice weight and a nice feel to it. I really do like that leather touch that they put on the top, and I think everything that was built into this device just really is aesthetically pleasing, and it all kind of comes together very well. Alrighty you guys, so it's been a few days since I've been using the Blavor solar powered battery bank, and I've got to say I'm absolutely in love with this product. Not only does it give you the convenience and peace of mind of being able to charge your device anywhere, no matter what the status of the battery in the battery bank is, but you also do get a little bit of added features. So my favorite part about this battery bank is that it's super user-friendly. There's nothing you have to do to make this thing start taking solar powered charge. You know, all you have to do is literally open up the solar panels on the battery bank, and as you guys see there, it already starts to begin to charge. Another feature that I do like about these solar panels is that they give you the opportunity or the ability to kind of angle this in any which way you really want to get the most out of the recharging power of these solar panels. You can angle them to the direction of the sunlight, so that really does help out with getting the most power when you need it. I think this is a definite must if you're an outdoor enthusiast, if you're into hiking, if you're into outdoor sports, if you're always on the go even, not even if you're into outdoor activities. If you're a person that's always on the go, this is definitely something that you should get. It's something that you should invest in, because I know I'm found guilty in that all the time. I always forget to recharge my power banks after a long day of using them. And you know, that being said, it's so easy just to forget to do that one simple thing. And when you're on the go and your phone's about to die and you really need it, this thing can help out in a pinch. Now, not only does this have the capabilities of charging your device, whether it be with the lithium-ion battery that's built in or through solar power, but you also do have an accompanying compass, so the compass does, you know, come in handy whenever you may need it. It has this nice carabiner clip, so you can always just hook this onto your backpack and lug it around. It's not that heavy, by the way, guys. It's actually a nice weighted battery bank. It's not as heavy as it looks. It's a lot bigger, you know, than the weight that it has. I don't know if that makes any sense, but anyways, not that heavy at all. It's a pretty decent weight. It also has an accompanying 2 flashlights, and you have one spotlight flashlight right here. It's actually a lot brighter than it looks. This flashlight right here is super tiny. It looks so small and like it can't really light up an area, but boy oh boy, when it gets dark and when you shine this light, it definitely lights up the entire area, and you're able to see exactly what you want to see. It also acts as a great spotlight if you want to, focus at something, or, shine the light directly in a certain area and see what's there. It works great, and you guys are going to see a little snippet of a video clip I took at nighttime just to show you guys how bright the flashlight is, as well as this back LED panel. Now the flashlight also has two other lighting options. So once you turn it on, you can click the power button again to cycle to the Morse code SOS feature, where it'll flash the light in Morse code to display an SOS, or you can even press it one more time and it will give you the strobing light feature. And the strobing light's actually extremely fast and still very, very bright. Now once we get onto the light panel on the back here, it's just so bright. Now this will light up any area that you need it to. It does an amazing job at that, no matter whether it's in the highest brightest setting or the lowest brightness setting. I mean, it's just so great. And with those lighting options, we have 3 different light settings there. So maximum brightness, medium brightness, as well as the lowest brightness setting. So, it really does cover all the bases when it comes to everything you need in this device. And I think that definitely really does give this thing the whole package when, kind of looking into something to buy like this. You do have USB ports on the top, as I said before while we were unboxing it. We have 2 USB ports. One of them is a USB 3.0. We have a USB Type-C that is an in or out port. So you can even recharge this from a wall outlet the night before, and even if you don't have to worry about recharging it at all. You also have a micro USB port here in the event that you need to use a micro USB to charge a device. So aside from all the features, I think that it has a really nice look to it. I love the fact that they put the additional 3 solar panels in this little leather pouch, and I like that they made it so that it's adjustable and you can kind of angle it any which way you want. So, I mean, I can't say that there's really anything that I can complain about this device. Overall, it's a really nice and well thought out battery bank. You have the power of solar power, you have the power of that lithium-ion battery that's rechargeable in here, you have these 2 flashlights, you have the compass, and you have so many options when it comes to recharging your devices and what cords you can use to recharge them with. I think that this is an extremely great device, and if you're looking for a new battery bank, or if you're looking for something that's geared towards an outdoor kind of lifestyle, this is definitely the way to go. This Blavor solar-powered battery bank definitely doesn't disappoint. And if you guys want to check it out, I'll be leaving a link to it down in that description box below, so definitely go ahead and take a look at it. If you guys have any questions or comments on this device at all, definitely drop them down in that comment section below, and as always, I'll be quick to answer them. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more content just like it, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you guys liked this video and enjoyed what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button down below. And with all that being said, everyone, I hope you all stay well, stay safe, and stay healthy. I'll see you next time.